Hi, everyone. Um, I'm Haley Bowden. I am a graduate student at the University of Arizona. And I want to talk to you about finding observable environmental measures of halo properties using neural networks. The idea being that when we look at galaxies in a survey, we should be able to use their observable properties and also the neighboring galaxies to be able to learn about the environment. So the general idea is we have properties for each galaxy. We have each of the galaxy's nearest neighbors, compress this into an input vector, and then we are trying to find a given halo property for the galaxy's host dark matter halo. The nice thing about this structure is that we can then mask different elements of the input vector to determine where we're getting the most information from about a specific halo property. So, for example, when we looked at halo mass in a paper that came out this past summer, found that at the lower mass regime, of course, most of our information is coming from stellar mass, but that when we added in information about the distances to the first 5 nearest neighbors, we were able to get much higher accuracy at higher halo masses. And masking out this information, retraining the network, resulted in less accuracy, whereas if we went out to more distant neighbors, we did not see the same effects. Okay, so then the interesting thing is probing secondary halo properties that we don't have as direct ways of approaching. And so this is some preliminary work I have on predicting concentration for halos and subhalos. And it does not have quite as high of accuracy as we can get with halo mass, of course. But it is really interesting to find out that there is quite a bit of information in the environment to be able to make to be able to probe concentration and hopefully other secondary properties as well. So yeah, the main takeaway I wanted to share is that we're figuring out what information in the environment we can use to probe these halo properties, and that we have a halo catalog for the gamma survey of galaxies in the works. And if you have your own survey that you think this would work well with, let me know. Cool. Thank you, everyone.